Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. This is episode number 8 of our NextJS and TailwindCSS series. In this episode, I want to create a new component for button navigation. This component would be something like Instagram button navigation. This is a quick demo of it. Each icon would be highlighted on its page and the others would have a lighter color. All of the codes are uploaded to the GitHub and you can find its link in the video description. Are you ready to coding? Let's go. First, let's clone the project from GitHub repo. You need to copy the repo URL and open a command prompt and use this command git clone address. Then open the project in VS Code. I create a new branch with name of episode 8 to save it later on the GitHub, but you can ignore this part. Then open a terminal and type npm I to install npm package. After that, type npm run dev to open the project on port of localhost 3000. Now, I want to create a new component. I go to Components, Layout, Layout Sections, and create a new functional component with name of mobile button navigation.jsx and create its function using RAFC. This is a simple function with export default. Now, let's go to main layout.jsx and import it inside of the main div. Then we can see it in the browser. And in this component, I want to have 5 icons, so let's import them all. We already installed React Icons package, just let's import them one by one. I need a heart, a search, a user, a home, and an add icon. Then let's create an array of button items to render them dynamically. This is a better solution to create them one by one. I want to have 5 items for home, search, add, favorites, and user area. Each item has ID, label, icon, and a path, and we use this path to change icon color. Also, we need the path, so let's import use path name from next navigation. In body of component function, I create a new variable named path for my hook and you can log it to check the path later. Then let's have some classes for main div like fixed, bottom of 0, left of 0, right of 0, width of full, height of 12, a background of white, and on SM I want it to be hidden. Then let's create another division with class name of flex, justify of around, and align items of center, height of 12, and a gap of x of 3, a border of top of 2, also a border top of gray of 200. Then inside of this division, we must render our items, so let's open curly braces and map our nav button list. I receive an item and for it I want to render a link. This link must be imported from next link. We need a key and it can be item.id. Then we need href and I use item.path, and between the link tags I render item.icon. Let's see what we have in our website until now. That's good. Let's add some Tailwind classes to have a better view. I want to use dynamic classes based on the current path. So let's use curly braces with backtick to have access to JavaScript. I use text3xl and then I say if path equals to item.path, use text gray of 800, else use text gray of 400. And let's check the result. So it is working and I check other page so we can see that the color of buttons are dynamic and they change based on the current path. And this was for the episode 8. I hope you enjoyed it. Leave some comments for me and give me your precious opinions. And don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Have a good time and goodbye.